Hello everyone, this is Islam Ahmed. We will talk today about BMS system components like sensors, actuators, and panels. Let's start with the actuator of the damper, which controls the movement of the damper. The damper is like the door which permits the air to pass or not. Most systems use 3 dampers to control the supply, exhaust, and refreshment air. The second component here is temperature switch, which indicates that the temperature reaches the set point or not. It gives us 1 or 0. 1 means the temperature reaches the set point and 0 is not. The next component is differential pressure switch, which is used to detect the fault in fans and filters. In fans, the pressure should be different in the both sides. When the pressure difference is 0, that means there is a fault in the fan. On the other side, in the filter, the pressure should be the same before and after, but when the pressure is not equal, that means the filter is not clean, so there is a fault in the filter. The next component is a smoke detector, which detects if there is a fire in the building or not, to make the BMS perform the fire scenario, like turning the supply air off and turning on the exhaust fans. Now let's talk about the panels. The system contains 2 types of panels: control panel and MCC, motor control center panels. Motor control center panel or MCC are used to control the motors of the fans by using a collection of contactors and circuit breakers, in addition to the push buttons, selectors, and indicating lamps. The second panel, which is directly beside the MCC, is the control panel. The control panel contains the controller, which is DDC, direct digital control, and the connection between MCC and control panel by using control cables. That's all today. Thank you and see you in next video, inshallah.